We all know that Salesforce is one of the most rewarding career paths out there. And a lot of people often ask me if it is right time to enter this ecosystem. And my response is simple. There is no such thing as a right or wrong time. Every tech field experiences ups and downs, but it's up to you to continuously polish your skills to stay in demand. Imagine yourself working in the growing ecosystem of Salesforce, where your company values as their most valuable team member, providing you with every possible benefit, as they are committed to keeping you on board at all costs. So how does that make you feel? I know, you must feel on the top of the world. So in today's video, we'll be discussing in detail on how you can consistently stay relevant in the dynamic Salesforce job market. When it comes to working in the Salesforce world, you have an array of exciting career paths to choose from. You can be a Salesforce administrator, a Salesforce developer, and a business analyst or a consultant, or even the architect. But here's the catch. It is not enough to just be a part of the crowd. You must stand out and offer something very unique. So let's see how you can make yourself irreplaceable asset. Step 1 is to master your role. Being good at what you do is non-negotiable. It's not just about having a fancy job title. It's about having real hands-on experience. So instead of limiting yourself to routine tasks, take the opportunity to explore some additional responsibilities within your job. Like, you can challenge yourself by doing some complex problems and find out your way out. For example, you can take on projects that require you to scratch beyond your comfort zone and tackle new Salesforce features, or leading a team through a challenging implementation. Let's take one simple scenario of a Salesforce admin to better understand this. So as a Salesforce admin, rather than just handling routine data entry tasks, you can take the initiative to lead a data migration project, implementing best practices and troubleshooting issues along the way. This hands-on experience will not only improve your problem-solving skills, but also expose you to a variety of scenarios that go beyond the typical day-to-day tasks. So it's important to actively look out the challenges within your job role, and that is how you can open the valuable learning door experiences that can't be gained through the monotony. Promise yourself that you will be learned one new thing daily in your job, and by the end of the year, you will be an expert in your position. Now step 2, keep yourself updated. When you know that Salesforce universe is constantly evolving, and because of this, keeping yourself updated is very crucial. For that, my recommendation to you would be to join Salesforce communities like Reddit Salesforce community, Salesforce Discord server, or you can join our S2 Lab Slack community as well. We recently created community for Salesforce enthusiasts with the goal of connecting all Salesforce enthusiasts, sharing valuable learning or insights, jobs, opportunity, etc. So if you join this community, you won't need to go anywhere else. And don't just join the community, but also try to engage in discussions, like you can solve problems and ask your doubts. This not only helps you stay in the loop, but also builds a network of valuable connections. Step 3 is prove your expertise with certification. Certifications are not just a piece of paper. They are validation of your skills and knowledge, but they are most powerful when combined with practical experience. So aim of certifications that are relevant to your chosen career path, like if you want to be a Salesforce admin, you can go with Salesforce Administrator certification, Advanced Administrator certification, and to become a Salesforce developer, you can choose PD1 and PD2 certification also. If you want us to explain all the certification and which one are best suited for a specific role, let us know in the comment section and we'll create a detailed video on this topic. You might be thinking, why certifications are important? Certifications are the first thing recruiters notice, especially for freshers, as certifications are what recruiters will initially see before reaching out to you. However, I would like to emphasize that for experienced professionals, also it's beneficial to acquire certifications relevant to your job role, as it shows your commitment to learning and acquiring new skill sets. Fourth step is find your niche. The Salesforce ecosystem is vast, with a multiple of features and tools. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, consider becoming a master of one of specific area, whether it's velocity, TPQ, marketing, automation, or any other specialty. Immerse yourself and become an expert. Your unique expertise will be impossible to replace. But this is something which is not advisable when you are just starting out as a fresher. However, as you gain experience and work on different projects, consider choosing a niche. Looking into its demand in the industry, then specialize in that specific area. Next step is to work on your people skills. Some people might be say your technical expertise is what makes you different, but I believe in order to stand out, you should need to work on your people skills as well. So it's important to have good communication, especially in Salesforce jobs, where you will often talk to different teams, including non-tech folks. You can take some practice steps to improve your people skills, like when someone is speaking. To make a point, really listen and respond considerably. Try to understand how others see things and what they are feeling. Empathy goes a long way. Also refine how you express yourself both when talking and writing by aiming for clarity and professionalism. These simple actions can make a big difference in how well you connect with people in any situation. Now, sixth and the last step would be build your personal brand. Your personal brand is your secret weapon. Start sharing your knowledge, experience and skill with others. Answer questions on platforms like LinkedIn, Quora, etc. but always provide genuine and well-informed responses. So remember, authenticity is key. Over time, you will establish yourself as a thought leader and go-to person in your niche. Let's say you are passionate about Salesforce automation and regularly share insights, tips, and tricks on LinkedIn. Now, after some time, people will begin recognizing you as an automation guru, and they reach out to your guidance on automation their Salesforce processes. So these are the 6 tips that may sound easy to listen, but are the key steps and can help you become indispensable in the Salesforce job market. So I would highly recommend you to check out our blog on website, where we have discussed in detail about how to stand out in Salesforce Market 2024. And don't forget to join Astrolabs community on Slack, where you can not only learn, grow, enhance your Salesforce knowledge, but also connect with like-minded professionals and take your career to new heights. You can join the community from the link in the description box. Alright. Thanks for joining us today. If this video provided you with some clarity, be sure to hit that button and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more insightful content.